This is see how puri for masala puris or parim puri or bel puri is made. First of all, in a bowl you take the uh, 1 tumbler of rava, then 3/4 of rava is added. Totally it comes to around 200 grams. To that mixture you add maida 1 spoon for 1 tumbler and 3/4 spoon for 3/4 tumbler of rava. Then 1 spoon of rice flour is added and 3/4 spoon of rice flour is added. Required quantity of salt is added to the mixture. After that, required quantity of water is added and made into a dough. This is the final dough. It consumes lot of water. Then 3 spoons of oil is poured to it and mixed very well. Then it is kept for 1 hour to make it a very smooth dough. Then the dough is taken, small quantity is taken and made into flat chapati. Chapati like thing is made. With the help of lid, you make the rounded puri duff. Like this, all the puri duffs are made. Then it is taken and fried it in hot oil. You can see the duff fried, and it is having the crackling sound. The hole can be made into the puri, and into which you can pour pani and all the stuffs and eat it. Like that, all the puris are made, and it is ready for pani puri eating. In shops they use baking soda, which is having more power, and it is having more amount of crackling sound.